Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share my Rustic Glam living room reveal. Over the last few months, my husband and I have completely changed our living room. I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm standing at my front door. So this is the entryway. You may recognise my gallery wall. But we've just taken down most of the stuff on this side of the wall, because today we're actually going to repaint majority of the whole house. And the colour that we're going with is actually this colour here, which is actually called Puppy by DULUX. And we're going to paint majority of the house that colour, and I think it'll just tie in perfectly and now match my gallery wall. So I've removed the pictures and so forth off the walls. Here's my little grouping of everything, and we're going to tape up next and get prepping for. So guys, this is what it looked like before, once we'd taken everything down. The colours are actually a very light grey, although it does look white on camera. This is what we've done so far. The improvement is amazing. My husband's just done the cutting around the television. We're about to take the TV and that off the wall. And look at the difference, guys, already. I can't get over how paint can transform your home so much. Excuse the mess. I've took down the curtains. Little Miss Bella here is in her usual spot, assisting with the transformation, but loving how it's coming so far. So guys, now I'm back at my front entryway and my gallery wall. I just thought I'd share with you another view of the gallery wall. My pop of colour, as you can tell, is turquoise in my home, and I love how the colours of white and this puppy colour go so perfectly together. And here is my completed painted hallway. Now guys, I have wanted to paint this home since I moved in 2 years ago. I previously had this colour throughout my previous home, and I've always loved it. I always think it looks so beautiful with the white skirting as well as some glam pieces. And it just really warmed up the space, which was what I was aiming for. So this is my entryway table. This is where we all walk in and place our keys. Now, you would have seen in a previous video that I repainted that table a complete turquoise, and I love these lanterns that I picked up from TK Maxx, and I love that they're rustic and they give that little bit of rustic glam factor. I also added these fake flowers also from TK Maxx inside. Now on the wall I've hung 3 mirrors. The 2 white ones are a recent purchase from Spotlight, and the turquoise one I already had that was previously brown, and I also painted turquoise. We also painted our room divider white. This used to be black. Now it was a little bit of a tedious project, guys, but I'm so happy with this. The black wall used to be very dark, which made the hallway very dark, so the white definitely freshened it up and really lightened up the space. We've then moved on to the dining room area, and it's probably one of my favourite areas of the home, guys. My table is an 8-seater table. I actually add a chair at the top and bottom of this table to make it 10 seats, and I've added pops of white throughout the home as well. These flowers also from TK Maxx, and the lantern is from a store here in Australia called 1825 Interiors. My kitchen dresser was a thrift store find, and I painted it turquoise, as well as the big fork and spoon. I love Everyone Loves Raymond, and my favourite episode of that show is the big fork and spoon. So I found these in a thrift store, and I knew they just had to come home with me. My canvas is from Adairs, and I love how it actually sparkles and has a lot of glitter throughout this canvas. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera, but that's the one thing that I truly loved about this canvas when I seen it. In the middle, I have my rustic lantern flower box that I recently did a DIY on, and I'll leave a link to that video down below. I picked this mirror up from a store here in Australia about 2 years ago called Masters. Unfortunately, they have since closed down, but I do know that there's quite a few similar ones on eBay if you just type in glam mirror. With this transformation, I wanted to incorporate all the things that I love. If you've been watching my previous videos, I do love farmhouse, guys. I also love anything rustic, and I love combining that with glam decor. So I've tried to incorporate that here. We then moved on to my kitchen. Now my kitchen overlooks the living room, and I love, guys, how my pantry door really stands out now since painting, and I've just added pops of turquoise and rustic pieces so everything flows as you walk through the home. This adorable little fringed ottoman was a recent purchase from Spotlight. On my kitchen island, I added this gold little tray from TK Maxx, as well as this cute little blue bird, which is from Spotlight. And I added my recent purchase from Big W, these gorgeous turquoise mugs, guys. And I just love them. Up close, they actually have a shimmer to them and a little gold detail. So I added them to the front. We then pan around to the main living room. You can see we have a pool table there, and I've really tried to tie in with the pops of turquoise and scattered it throughout my home. On my walls are my recent purchase of these beautiful white horse canvases. They were just $19 each, guys, from Big W, and I love how they really stand out on the dark walls. Now here is my gallery wall. I absolutely love these angel wings, guys, that I picked up from the Red Dollar store here in Australia, as well as these adorable white flowers. They're from Spotlight. My dresser again is another thrift store find, and I painted it turquoise as well. I also did this home sign in the left corner of my room, and I really love how it came. I love that little wreath that I picked up from Spotlight, adds that pop of greenery to the room. As a centerpiece to my pool table, I added these gorgeous flower arrangement from TK Maxx. We then move on to my Chase Lounge. Now this is actually a massage chair, guys, that I picked up from eBay, and I've gone with a lot of warm tones here. I've added my fake cowhide from Kmart Australia, and this adorable fake throw is from Spotlight. And the leopard print eyelash cushion is from My Lash Design on Instagram, and I'll leave all her information down below. My little white mirrored cupboard is a purchase from TK Maxx about 2 years ago, and again I've added pops of turquoise here, along with my vintage radio from Kmart Australia. We then move on to my mantle. I added these cute little white furry stools from the reject shop to the bottom. And at the top I added these rustic flower collection that I picked up from TK Maxx. Then to my right is my tufted chair, which is from the store 1825 Interiors. I've added the fake fur throw and cushion, which is from eBay, and the knot cushion is from Pillow Talk Australia. We then move on to my egg chair. This is my cozy little corner of the room. This horse print was a purchase a few years ago from the Red Dollar store here in Australia, and my egg chair is from Kmart. The one thing I absolutely loved about painting these walls, guys, is how they made my white furniture pop. Now this egg chair used to be in the same spot, but my walls came off as very white, even though that they were a very light grey. And I love how this now stands out up against the darker wall. I then had this adorable little farmhouse inspired mirror that is from 1825 Interiors, and I've teamed it up together with this very rustic glam cabinet that I recently picked up from TK Maxx. I then added this leopard print chair. Now this is actually a chair cover, guys. I can't recommend these enough. I picked this up off eBay. It was completely inexpensive, and if you get sick of a Pacific look, chair covers are definitely the way to go. I then moved back into the living room, where this is my adorable little doggy bed that I picked up from TK Maxx. Mind you, Miss Bella doesn't really want to stay in it. She prefers to sit on our lounge with the family. However, sometimes she does. we have my coffee table, which is another thrift store find. It was a DIY project that I added some marble contact paper and spray painted gold. And if you'd like to see that video, I'll leave that linked down below. I kept everything really simple on the coffee table. I added this round rustic tray from Spotlight Australia, and I also added some jars and filled them with some rustic decor, as well as this turquoise vase from Spotlight. My rug is from the store Ronnie's, and I really love how it has that damask style of print to it. I then have this tufted ottoman, which is from TK Maxx, as well as this pom-pom throw, which is from Adairs. We then moved on to my couch, and I added these adorable pom-pom cushions from TK Maxx. And as you can see, my adorable sweet little Bella Boo just chooses to sit up here, and she wants to watch TV and sit on my cozy throw blanket. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed watching me transform my living room space. A big shout out has to go to my wonderful husband who helped me bring my transformation to life. He worked tirelessly, guys, painting this whole house himself, and I think he'd done such an amazing job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon. I'll be bringing you lots of fall decorating over the next couple of weeks. So look out for those videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so you'll be aware next time I upload a video. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.